on, let's go.
Hustle. One of you, stay right.
Go, Mav, go. Get that ball.
Carry.
Mav, that's you. Come on.
Dribble
it.
Win it. Again.
There you go. Now get in the middle, Mav. Go. Shoot it, Eduardo.
Good job. Turn and go. Go with him, Santino. Go, Santino.
Back, Leo.
Get in there. Get closer.
Go. Again. Forward pass. There you go.
Mav, go now.
Look at Alejandro. Alejandro, down line. Look at Maverick. Go, Mav. Go, Mav. Put it in.
Good job, Caleb. Caleb, in your hand. Run to the line. Throw it.
Defense. Maxi. Anthony. White line.
Win it, Sebastian. Big kick.
Keep going, Alejandro.
There you go. Push it. You got it forward. Go. Preston, win it. Preston.
Bring it, Alejandro. Bring it.
Go.
Again. Yes.
Sebastian, your throw right here. Preston, you okay?
Alejandro, come on, Alejandro.
Right.
Come on.
Here.
Yeah. Go.
Throw it again.
Don't pick up his centro.
What are you doing over here? What are you doing? This is Alejandro's spot.
Go back
I
to the
need you
line.
over there. Leo, get that ball over there to Eduardo, over there to Maverick. Get that ball. Let's go. Anthony, cámbiala, okay? Maxi, what are you doing back there?
Go, Isaac, win it.
Cámbiala.
Big kick. Nice.
Dribble, Maxi. Come on, Maxi.
Oh.
Mav, get ready. On the ball.
Big kick. Win it, Isaac. Oh.
Eduardo,
Ball back.
ponle ganas. Come on.
Isaac, ball back.
He should not be beating you. Don't let him beat you. Come on.
To the side. Anthony, to the side. Not in front of the goal.
Win it. Big
Not in front of the goal.
Big kick.
Dribble, Maxi. Dribble.
Ivan, you had Maxi on this side. You had Anthony on this side. Why are you going in the middle?
Right here.
To the outside. To the outside.
Mavi, this way.
He had Maxi on that side. Why is he going in the middle?
Mavi, this way.
Ours.
Lo que les digo siempre, never to the middle.
We're going to have to practice.
Sebastian.
Practice goal kicks again.
You're forward.
Wait.
Maverick,
you're forward.
Maverick!
Beat the last defender. Come on.
What are you doing back there? Maverick!
Isaac.
Maverick!
Right back
Up here! White line, up here! What are you doing back there?
Sebastian.
Stay up here!
Dude, as soon as you get the ball, you're going to score. Just stay
In
there.
the box. Big kick.
Out wide!
To the outside. To the
Outside.
outside.
Mav, go. Go, run, Mav, faster, go. Shoot.
Taylor, win it. There you go. Good job. Okay, again. Nice.
Don't stop playing.
Mav, that's going to happen again and again. You got this, dude.
Oh!
Hey, dude, you're going to get 5 more shots like that.
Maverick!
You gotta keep playing,
Keep your head up!
Got it, dude.
Keep your head up! It's okay! Keep your head up! Keep your head up! It's okay!
Sebastian.
It's okay! Keep your head up! It's okay!
Hey, dude, you're faster than anybody back there, dude. Let's go.
It's okay! Keep your head up! Hey,
Maxi, dribble to the outside.
Mav, what is rule number 2? What is rule number 2? Come on. Don't forget that. Keep your head up. Keep your head up. Come on. Keep your head up. You got this. Come on. You got this. Look at Maxi. Come on. Hey,
You
we
want a
just
sub
started
or
the
what,
game.
Anthony? Do you need a sub, Anthony?
Don't forget about the time.
Maxi,
Isaac.
No, forget about the
Isaac.
time.
Get some rest.
Come on, Mav. Keep your head up. It's okay. It's okay. You'll get it back.
Keep your head in the game.
You'll get it
man.
back.
Keep your head in the game.
Right back, right back.
Leo, you're too far up. In front of them, in case. In front of them. Orange line. I need you orange line. I need you orange line.
Get ready, Mav. Come on. Get this one shot. Let's go.
Again.
Get ready, Mav.
Oh!
Mav, that's you. Go. Get it, Mav.
Get in there, Mav. Get in there, Mav.
Hey, good pressure, bud.
Miles!
Fall back to the
Drop
line.
back! Sebastian, drop back! Miles!
Alejandro, orange line. Leo, orange line. Orange line.
Miles, back!
Remember, in between the white, in between the orange. In between the white, in between the orange.
Para afuera, Antonio. Para afuera. Para afuera, Antonio. Outside, Anthony.
That's perfect right there. That's perfect.
Mav, look at how nobody's
That's
guarding
perfect.
you, dude.
Bring it. Bring it.
There you go.
Get ready. Go, move up.
There you go! Win it, Sebastian!
Send it, Eduardo. Send it, Eduardo.
Now, go.
Go, Eduardo. Go. Go, Eduardo.
Get to the front of the goal. Go to the front of the goal.
Job!
Hey, defense.
Caleb!
Defense, Maxi.
Run up to the line.
White line.
Throw it on the
Anthony.
sideline!
White
Not
line.
in the middle, throw it to the sideline. Amir, win it! Amir,
Eduardo.
outside! Run to the line and throw it, big throw!
Alejandro. Orange line.
Get it, Mav. Get it. Get it. Get it. Go. Shoot it.
Good job, Preston!
Going out of the hole. Shoot.
Good job! Go, Amir, push it, go! One big kick, cross!
Help him, Alejandro. Help him, Alejandro.
Anthony, you can't let anybody get behind you.
Guys, keep good pace, good energy, let's go!
Hey, run the ball back. Let's go. Run it back.
You want a break?
Let's go.
Huh?
Run it back.
Okay, reps up!
Okay, here we go. On sub, okay? We go on the sub.
Hey, get the ball ready to go. Let's go. Let's kick it off.
Elijah, back middle, go, back middle. Elijah, you gotta fall back when it's our turn, okay?
Same thing, boys!
Go.
Hustle, Elijah, big kick!
Get in there, don't wait for it!
Win it, Santino! Nice,
Let's
Santino!
go.
Push, Santino!
Boys!
Go, Santino! Oh, let's go, Santino! Let's go!
Hey, Mav, halfway point. Back to the line.
Elijah, back
Maxi.
more. Sebastian, drift
Maxi.
left.
Mav, get ready. Mav. Now cut. Mav, go to the backside.
Good job, Miles. Way to stay with it.
Ball, Mav, come
Big
on.
kick! There we go! Up, Santino, big kick! Go!
Anthony, watch out behind you.
Again. Yeah, there we go. Yes.
Get that ball.
Kick it up.
Nice. Mav, where you at?
Mav,
That's you!
Sube. Maxi.
Big kick, let's
Come
go!
on, Alejandro.
Help him, Alejandro. Help him.
Santino, again, now. Okay, go in the middle, cross. Yeah.
Mav, pay attention.
Go, Mav.
Come on.
Win it, Elijah.
Switch it to Leo. Switch it to Leo.
Go, Caleb! Good job.
Red.
Caleb, throw it on the sideline. Sideline, not in the middle. Sideline.
Okay, guys, stop. Everybody, get up. Come on, get a water break. Get a water break. 2-1. We're still up. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Come on.
Push the ball down the field. Let's go.
Yeah, on this line.
That's forward, right there. Huh?
Nico, on this side. Come on. In the center. Hey, right there.
That's
this
forward,
side.
yeah,
No,
forward.
no. White line.
All the way over there. Nico.
Okay, turn. Bring it, win it.
Alex, get it.
Win it.
No, the other way. Tell.
Offside.
Again.
Hey, white line. I don't want you guys back
Alex,
there.
wake up front. Let's go.
Close in. Close.
Caleb, stay.
Close.
Sebastian, take the kick.
Cover goal.
Sebastian.
Lorenzo.
Sebastian.
Out here. What are you doing in the middle?
Sebastian.
Here.
To the sideline. Alex, come here. Get a running start. Get a running. Back.
Uno, Sebastian.
Go, Alex. Win it. Push it, Alex.
Go, get it. Get it.
Win it, Alex. Go. Sprint.
Come on.
That's it. There you go.
You're leaving your man. Keep back.
That's out.
Go. Win it, Alex. Let's go.
Lorenzo, call for that, Lorenzo.
Win it. Right there, Alex. Win it.
Turn around. Lorenzo.
Look at Damian. Yes, go, Damian. Take it.
Miles. Go, Miles.
Go.
Wow, what a cut.
Oh, nice job, goalie.
Elijah, get in there.
Win it.
Elijah, get
Nice.
in there.
Out of there, Alex, again. Push.
Outside, Lorenzo.
Go. Win it. Go. Come on. Go in there. Push
Run back. Yes, Caden.
Okay, Alex, again. Forward. Pull.
Go.
Good job, Miles.
Good job, Miles.
Out of there. Let's go. Go. Alex, big kick forward. Alex, big kick. Forward. Go, Alex, big kick. Forward.
Go, throw it
Alex,
in.
fall back. Elijah, fall back. Fall back. Win it, Santino. Go, Santino. There you go. Push it, Alex. Win it, Alex.
The other way. Yes. Go, Caden. Keep going.
There we
Keep
go,
going.
Santino.
He
Turn.
doesn't beat
Big
you.
kick.
He doesn't beat
Go,
you.
again. Big kick.
Yes. That's the goal. Caden! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Good job. That's what I'm talking about.
Santino, get some rest.
Mateo, back to the goalie, celebrate. Lorenzo.
Sebastian,
Come on.
get some rest.
Caden on defense right now.
Yeah.
Right forward. Right side. Go back.
Way to fight for the ball. As soon as they touch it, go get it, Lorenzo.
Right forward.
Come on, boys. Keep your head up. Come on.
Run.
What is rule number 1? Come on. What is rule number 1? Let's go. Come on. Rule number 1.
That's that way. Good job. Faster pace. You're winning the ball.
Come on. Rule number 1.
Elijah,
There you go.
Right there, short pass. Elijah. Okay, big kick forward.
There you go. Keep it up.
Nice. Right there, pass forward.
Outside.
Talk to him, Damian.
Go. Boot it. There you
Yes.
go.
Look at Alex. Alex, go in there.
Alex, go to the middle.
Cross it.
Halfway line. Nico, get closer to the middle. Hey, Caden, up, halfway line. Nico, get more in the middle.
Hey, guys, spread out in the middle. Win it, Miles. This way. Yep, this way. There you go.
Throw it in again. Caden, throw it in, Caden. Hey, what's our play?
Elijah, fall back.
Yes. Oh, keep that foot down. Hey, that was a good throw, but you got to keep that foot down. That was a good throw. That's a good throw. Hey! What are you guys doing?
Miles,
Sit down. What are you guys doing?
get some rest, Miles. Here.
Sit down.
Francis, play middle back. Hustle. Miles, get some rest.
Again, Caden.
Francis.
Let's go. Come on. Go. Yes, nice one. Go, Lorenzo. Nice. That's good, Lorenzo. That's good.
Francis, kick.
Okay. Christian, come here.
Alex,
Christian.
get open at Ford. Eduardo.
Yeah, going back in.
Eduardo,
Christian.
right.
Maxi.
Chris, stay.
Right out, you guys. Lorenzo.
Leo,
Big
you're going in.
kick to the sideline.
You three are going back. In.
Elijah, go.
Can I be striker?
Damian is up there.
I mean,
Midfield, yes.
can I be left mid?
No, I'm gonna have you. Is Maxi close?
Good job, Caleb. Wait. To the sideline. Run. Run to the line. To the sideline, not the middle, the sideline.
Or if Anthony is back in
Francis,
the
win
you
that.
can stay up. Okay, we're going in. Okay, get up. Get up.
Caleb.
Ref, stop, ref.
It's all right, guys. Hey, wake up. Don't
Okay,
worry
let's
about
go.
score. Wake up.
Get
Let's
up,
go.
get up.
Get back in it. Hey,
Alex, come here.
Alex.
Mateo, Nico.
Alex,
Come
come here, right here on the line.
Maxi, go in.
On the line.
Mateo, come here.
Come here. One of those forward kicks, okay?
In the defense, on the,
Alex,
on
stay
the
back.
left side.
Stay back.
Good job
Hey,
out there. Good job.
He's gonna hit the ball. Sprint to it. Eduardo.
In the midfielder.
Right
midfielder,
forward.
Midfield, center midfielder.
Elijah. Drift
In
right,
front, as
drift
a,
right
as
a
a
little
striker,
bit.
in
Outside,
front of
drift that
Maxi.
way.
Maxi, he's in front of you. Do not let him be next to you. Go.
Amir. Big kick.
Go.
This way. Big kick, Eduardo. Out of there.
Anthony, Eduardo. Come here. Anthony, Eduardo. Guys, come on.
Come on, let's go. What are you guys doing? Damn.
Help him, Maxi, help him.
He's gonna go in for.
Ayúdales, Maxi.
He's gonna go in for Caden in the
Francis,
defense.
On the right?
Amir, be
Yep,
ready.
on the right side. Leo's on the left side, okay? Leo's on the left side.
Stay open.
You're gonna go in for Lorenzo. Okay, you're gonna go in for Lorenzo. Huh? What?
Where does Lorenzo play?
Huh?
Where does Lorenzo play?
On the outside right here. On the outside right here.
Oh, so I go
Do not get beat. If you get beat, I'm subbing you out. I don't know why you're letting them get beat. You don't do that at practice. At practice, nobody beats you, so why you letting them beat you here?
When you go to your side, please.
Good try, Amir.
Sup, ref, sup!
Guys.
Caden, Lorenzo! Right here on the midfield, on the left side, this side. Good job. Hey, get back. We're defending. Good job.
Drop back.
That's a nice assist.
Okay.
That's a nice assist.
Win it right here.
Spread out. Christian as a striker, up here, white line.
Dribble.
Right there, win that.
Take it, Leo. You got space, man. Where's my defense at?
Maxi!
Help him.
Maxi!
Francis.
I need you in the middle. You're not up. I need you in the middle. Stay middle. You're playing up top. I don't need you up top. Let's go. Eduardo. Back. What are you doing back here? Back.
17. Come on, Maxi, let's go.
Eduardo! Back there, look. Go, get in there.
Guys.
Okay, Alejandro.
Francis. Fall back. Sour center. Fall back.
Okay. You're gonna go in for
Amir.
Damian
Line
right
up.
now, okay?
Come here. The big
Yep,
kick
there
was
we go.
this
Stop,
way.
ref, stop! Damian! Come here, come here, come
Gotta
here.
cover back.
Jogging, Damian.
Forward,
You got your
forward.
hat trick.
let's
Good
go.
job. You got your hat trick. Good job. You got your hat trick. Good job.
Big kick, Francis.
It would have been really nice if you would have tried to pass it.
And also, if you would have been sent, I would have. Oh, not let you back out. Go, Maxie, go!
Go, Maxie!
Oh, yeah!
Shoot it.
What happened?
Is that game time? Whistle?
Was that game? Oh, that was.
Hey, pressure, orange
It
line.
sounded all the way over here.
Yeah, Alex. Big kick out of there. Big kick.
Orange line.
Caleb, let him kick. Alex, go kick it.
Get it, let's go.
Alex, to the sideline, not in the middle.
Hey,
Outside.
Defense. White line. White line.
Francis, Amir, switch.
Eye on the ball.
Alex, big kick this way here. In
Come
the
on,
outside,
Eduardo.
outside,
Come on, Eduardo.
outside. Yeah. Yeah. Win it. Good job, Elijah. One more. What happened, Amir?
Get back now.
Okay, play. Finish this play then. Go again, big kick. Go, push it.
Stay with it. Don't wait. There you go.
Christian, go up, Christian.